Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Have you ever imagined to have a life where you wake up and you have this in your bank account? Or you are generating income while you're asleep or having fun with your family? Guess what? Friends, these are all available to us. And this starts with asking questions like this or like that. And all it takes is action. Are you willing to take that action? You can have this kind of life as your reality. Now, take action or message me or sign up into my website. I am looking forward to chatting with you. Take care and God bless.